the lowest point, there's always a series of ebbs and flows. There's always a series of lower points and higher points, because success doesn't come in a straight line or a linear line. It sometimes goes up and down and undulates. Mm-hmm. The lowest part of my business is when I'm constantly looking for ways in which to get in front of more and more people. Social media is full of people who have grandiose claims, but they don't have receipts. Or if they show receipts, my question is, if you're successful people don't show their bank accounts. One of the things that is an irritant for me is if I'm trying to hire someone for a service, one of the first questions they ask me, well, what is your budget? That's like asking me what's in your bank account. And I think that I understand why they ask that, because they're trying to get a sense of what they can basically charge. But for me, I believe that the price is the price, and it's important that if someone has a problem with the price, that you show them the value of what it is and let them compare the value with what they're getting to the price that they would have to pay. Because every business situation is a social contract. And so we go into contracts with one another and we pay based upon the services that we get, but really we pay based upon the value, the perceived value. It's sort of like with you and your business. You never want to hire an employee that's going to cost you money. You hire an employee that's going to make you money. Just like you don't hire a service that's going to cost you money, you hire a service that is supposed to make you money. And so the lowest point for me has always been, how do I get in front of more people, right? Because the more people that I can help get what they want, the more they will help me to get with what I want. It was John Paul Getty that said, I'd rather have 100% of the efforts of 100 people than 100% of the effort. I'm sorry. I'd rather have 1% of the efforts of 100 people than 100% of the efforts of myself. Meaning that as you get in front of more and more people, you're able to network. And if you can network with 100 people and increase their life by 1%, your lifestyle will increase by 100%.